Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Karin Sabinti Barusha. My metric number is P0918103333. So I'm going to present my individual assignment for BMMM 3553. Okay, so we start with introduction. UTeM offer a range of sophisticated facilities such as lecture rooms and high-tech labs. Efficient maintenance management has considerable importance to the operating cost of maintaining the building, as in these cases is maintaining the external wall, doors, and windows. Okay, for the maintenance issue, for this maintenance issue, the location I choose at Laman Hikmah Library UTeM. There are cracks on the external wall of the buildings, doors and windows that can function properly. So there are two types of problem here. One is cracks on the external wall of the library UTeM, and second is door and windows that can function properly. Laman Hikmah UTeM, the main campus library where there are patch plastered on the cracked wall of the buildings outside the buildings. The cracks, hairline cracks, visible from doors to the middle of the room. There are two types of crack that I've observed. One is from external wall, which is there are patch plastered on the crack, waterproofing work, and second I see the cracks on the inside of the library on the wall from the doors to the center of the room. Second, windows with broken seal. Why I said with broken seal? Because it can be seen from the fogginess and moisture spots on the windows, and if the fogginess and moisture spot on the windows keeping there, it can increase the electric bill, affect the outdoor and indoor humidity and temperatures, and the fogginess at the windows can disturb the scenery. Okay, so third type of maintenance. What type of maintenance that I advise? And okay, so preventive maintenance. What is preventive maintenance? Preventive maintenance is done regularly performed to reduce breakdowns of the equipment, so that it can make the lifespan of the equipment longer. Okay. Preventive element that focus on the exterior is inspection, painting, and cleaning. So that three types for the exterior surfaces. Next, we go to life cycle cost. Okay, as you can see in the slide, I put this in the slide, life cycle cost. There are two types of life cycle cost here. First for exterior wall, and second is for windows. Okay, for exterior wall, type of exterior wall used for library UTeM 230mm brick wall plastered on both sides, and the area of the Laman Hikmah is 10,063.68 meter square. Approximately needed 2,455 liter of paint. So for repaint the wall, it will need 2,455 liter of paint, and the target year of the paint is 5 years. So here I have calculated the paint estimation for 2,455 liter paint needed. It will cost around 67,758 ringgit. Okay, that's minimum for buying the paint only. Okay, so for doing the maintenance, we need to do scraping work, cleaning from dust, loose particle, and also coating. Okay, So for the exterior surface, exterior wall, it will need 67,758 ringgit for the minimum cost to buy paint only. And okay, here I've been calculated and I show in the table. Total maintenance each year estimated 10,000 ringgit. So using the net profit value that in life cycle cost, year 1 beginning is that 100,000 for maintenance work, painting, coating and scraping. And then year 1 end is 10,000k maintenance cost. Year 2 end is 10k maintenance cost. It's same because it's still new and it doesn't need more maintenance work. Year 3 is 2,000k. It's increased in the maintenance cost because the more year there will needed more maintenance work to be done, okay, to maintain it. Year 4 start is 25k maintenance cost, and year 4 end is negative 60k for trade-in value. So with 10% interest rate, I've calculated the NPV. So the calculation you can see in the table. I've done the calculation and the calculation in the table. So NPV, the total NPV we get is 173,920 ringgit 62 cents. So the net cost expended in the net cost expend in 4 years is the net cost expend in 4 years for exterior wall for Laman Hikmah UTeM is 173,920 ringgit and 62 cents. Okay, next we go to windows. Okay, windows type that used for Laman Hikmah UTeM is uncoated singles glazing, 1/4 inch thick. So the year life is 5 years. So using the same, after done googling, I found that one unit for the uncoated single glazing inch thick type of windows is cost 760 ringgit per unit. So okay, what is the maintenance that done to the windows is routine cleaning, change seal, checking on opening and sealing, opening and closing system, so that it can be open and closed smoothly. So year 1 start with 20,000. That's calculated for 300 estimately 300 windows that need to be built. Okay, so you want to start with 20k. You want end it's cost 4,000 maintenance, 4,000 ringgit maintenance cost. Year 2 end 7,400 maintenance cost. Year 3 end it costs 7,400 maintenance because it's still new and we maintain every year, so it doesn't affect much. Okay, so year 4 the end is increasing in 1,000 RM, 8,400 maintenance cost, and year 4 trade-in is negative 800 ringgit. So with 6 interest rate, the NPV calculated, total of the NPV cost expend in 4 years of windows 12,861 ringgit and 67 cents. Okay, so we go into the discussion. Maintaining the external wall need a regular maintenance in its lifetime, so it can longer the lifespan of the building. Okay, the problem that can be seen in Laman Hikmah UTeM are two, which is crack wall inside and on external wall and the inside of the building. One is the crack that visible on the outside of the external wall, which is we can see the patched plaster patched on the external wall of the lama hikmah, and second is the cracks that visible from doors to the middle of the room, which is the type of crack is Helen's cracks. Helen's cracks are common in building, especially plaster, which is prone to shrinkage and it is very sensitive to movement. Okay, so there are many types of factors that affect the external wall. One is climate. When the higher the building, it's easy to expose to rain and hot weather due to the height and exposed change of climate such as hot, warm, cold, and humidity can challenge the wall system and the wall resistance. Second is structure. Base failure due to the deterioration of soft clays, bricks, concretes, and degradation due to chemical pollutant. Suspended structures such as floors can deform under loading. Third, the factors is movement. Mostly movement that causes materials to contract and expand due to vegetation, and thermal movement that also causes material to expand and contract due to temperature. Next, for windows. There are several windows that have broken seal and also broken holder. The broken seal can be seen from the fogginess and moisture spot on the windows at lama hikmah, and the broken holder it make it hard to close it nicely and tightly. So these two broken part will affect the maintenance bill. It will increase the maintenance bill. Okay. For the fogginess and moisture spot, over time the permanent haze will occur and will disturb the great scenery. So the factors of effect on the windows is climate. Rain and strong wind can affect the window system ability to manage moisture, and this allows rainwater to get in and affect the drainage ability. Second is material use. Uses of material and components that are easy to get and have a same lifespans. So through proper maintenance, it can reduce the breakdowns or repair costs. So third is construction and installation of the windows, which is poor construction can shorten the life expectancy, and poor waterproofing installation also will destroy the wall with too much exposures to water. Okay, next, even though the exterior's wall paint, code, and waterproofing design to last for many years, but they're exposed to many factors that will affect them, such as hot sunlight, heavy rain, dirt, and pollution. By doing regular cleaning, it can prevent the wall structure from degradation. So this has to be included in daily cleaning in the preventive maintenance schedule, so that the lifespan of the equipment can be much longer. Also, the maintenance department should identify the cause of problem, and the data need to be included in the report, so that when there are problems happen in the next time, the maintenance or the maintenance staff know where is the root of the cause of the problem happen. So the inspection should be performed at least twice a year, which is once in a month. So by a superior or expert worker. Okay, lastly, conclusion. Doing a cleaning activity such as daily routine also can help to increase an equipment lifespan, and the choosing of the material and the type of maintenance schedule choose also give an impact to the equipment lifespan. So that's all from me. Thank you.